Hey Reddit buddies, Russ Whitney here. I am somewhat new to Reddit and I'm having a great time. The questions that are coming in are really good questions. They're not a lot of newbie questions. The ones that are newbie, pretty good, so I'm enjoying answering them. If you're not familiar with my work, you can go to russwhitney.com, and that saves me having to give you a bio on why I think I'm authorized to answer some of these. Let me start with number one, and this is coming from, this is small, this is coming from data over opinions. Interesting. What techniques do you use to find properties to invest in? You know, one of the best for me, well, some of the best, were using realtors. Number one, you got to find what's called a scrap realtor. So we have what I call cream of the crop realtors and scrap realtors. The cream of the croppers are the ones that are part-time. They're the ones that work with a mom and pop who want to buy a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in a nice neighborhood with big closets. So we're not looking for that. What we're looking for are multi-unit residential properties or properties that are in distress. There we would go to a scrap realtor. The way you find a scrap realtor is go to Craigslist. If you can hear that, there's a little thunder here. I'm in Florida. But go to Craigslist and look for realtors that are advertising handyman specials, properties in need of work, seller financing. The best one though, here you go, big tip. The best way where I've got most of my best deals, especially when I'm starting with duplex, triplex, not the bigger stuff, but the smaller ones, say a duplex on up to 20 units, is private investor. You run this ad in Craigslist. I'd run it also under income properties for sale anywhere, because if you have an income property for sale, you'll look for your ad every day. And so you run this ad. Private investor wants income properties. Will look at all, any condition, can pay cash. Any condition generally will find people who are afraid to list with a broker because the property's in bad shape. Well, that's exactly what we're looking for. The least amount of work that we can do to get the most amount of cosmetic improvements. Now I could go on, but I'm going to leave it right there for you.